Hello my friends! In the previous lecture, we have imported a minion model from My Mini Factory into SelfCAD and tried to create and model the shape of the body by using a capsule shape. Let's add more details to the shape. Get Cube Selection tool and select the upper curvy area of the shape. And start to scale it vertically to be similar to the example we have here. Now, get Cube Selection and do the same thing with the lower part. Now we have a similar shape of the body of the minion. And we need now to model the glasses of the minion. Hide the body or move it away from origin point to start modeling the glasses and eyes. Create a cylinder and choose the suitable parameters. To make the ring around the glasses, create a torus. Uncheck Hide All Object, and start to give it the suitable parameter. And move it up to the upper edge. Finalize the shape. Select the cylinder and make one copy of it using Copy Offset. Scale the copy vertically to move it down to be as the example we have. Create one copy of it using Copy Offsets tool and move it up. Now we need to create the small spheres around the glasses. From Basic Tool, choose Sphere and uncheck Hide All Objects. To have a better vision, make the cylinders in wireframe mode. Reduce the radius of it and give it a suitable small size. Finalize shape and select the sphere and move it on X dimension. Set the cylinder back to the mesh view. You may need to rescale the sphere till you get the suitable size. And you might need to move it again too. Now, we need to make a copy of the sphere and move it to the other side using the same value, but in negative. Group the two spheres and get Rotation tool and make the gizmo point in the origin point. Set the rotation angle to 30 around Y dimension and rotate it. Open Copy Offsets tool and select rotation and type the angle of rotation in Y dimension. Add number of copies. In our case, we are dividing the 360 degrees by 30 degrees angles, and that would be 6 copies. But we already have one of them. So I will type here 5 copies. Click on Copy, and we are done. Now we need to make the void area in the glasses. Create a cylinder with the volume of void that you want to create. Uncheck Hide All Objects, and reduce the top radius and bottom radius until they become suitable. You can use wireframe mode to have a better vision if you want. Finalize the shape and select the whole of them and get Boolean tool. Choose Difference and select the cylinder we created to make the void and press Apply. Now we have made the single part of the glasses, but we still need to create the eyeball inside it. Now we have done with one eye of the minion, let's give more details to it. Let's go to the next lecture.